और यहाँ पे लगा हैवी 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 हैवी। तो मैं नोनू को देखा, नोनू हैवी हैवी।
तो जब तुम्हें लगता है हैवी हैवी तब शायद तुम अपनी एक्स से बात कर लेते होंगे, बट जब डेटा को लगता है हैवी हैवी वो किससे बात करेगा? वो तुमसे बात करेगा यूजिंग कर्टोसिस टेस्ट. कर्टोसिस टेस्ट is tail heaviness test. So take this example of Amazon orders where your few extreme orders would drive the outcomes more than the millions of normal orders. If we talk about the normal distribution of orders, the Kurtosis test would give value of 3, which is the ideal case. Now, if you pull upwards the peak of your normal distribution, it would become something like this. Here the Kurtosis test gives value greater than 3. Your tail becomes heavy and there are severe outliers. Now what happens in this case is the extreme values occur very frequently and tail risk would drive the business outcomes. So we have to make outlier aware models. If we pull down the peak of Gaussian distribution, it would become something like this where k value would be less than 3. In this case, the peak is smooth and the tail is lighter. In this case, we can rely on averages, we can rely on variance, and there can be mean based planning. So this way, Kurtosis test helps to identify the presence of severe outliers in your data. It also helps to determine if your data is following the assumptions for parametric tests like t-test, z-test, ANOVA test. It is also crucial in finance to model the extreme market events. Bye bye.